there, it's Cynthia at Create with Cynthia, and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to show you how you can take one of the Iron Orchid Design Decor Transfers. This one is called Ladies in Waiting, and it has 4 8x10 images of beautiful flowers. You can take one decor transfer and transform four different projects. I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it right now. Transform them into beautifulness.
For this project, I'm using the following products. All are linked in the description box below and can be purchased at createwithcynthiashop.com. I'm using Debbie's Design Diary DIY paint in White Swan, the Crystal Clear Chandelier Liquid Patina, Iron Orchid Designs Decor Transfer in Ladies in Waiting. In this project, you'll also need 4 trash to treasure items, a pair of scissors, some frog tape, a soft cloth or paper towel, and paintbrushes.
Transform four projects. One is a cabinet, the second is a suitcase. I've got a wall, a piece of wood for the wall, a piece of wall art, and a tray. Suitcase. This one's gonna hang on my wall. I'm gonna hang this on the wall. Maybe this way, maybe this way. And then I always need a tray for my boys to take them their dinner or snack or whatever. Painted all my 3 pieces in DIY paint White Swan, and I gave it a top coat of the liquid patina, and it's dried overnight.
I also painted this cabinet as I did not like its original creation.
Okay, so I've got my decor transfer. This one is the Ladies in Waiting, and it's 4 flowers, and I'm going to take them out of the tube and show you what it looks like if you have not already seen it. They're all very pretty. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your transfer out of the tube, and you're going to take the backing off if you want to use the whole transfer, but I'm not going to use the whole transfer. I'm going to cut it. So one I want for this project is this blue and yellow flower. That's what I'm going to put on the dresser. So I'm going to put this down on the ground, and I'm going to cut it up into pieces. Now I'm going to take my transfer, and I'm going to put it on the surface, and I'm going to show you how you can take 4 pieces of furniture with 1 decor transfer.
Once you remove the backing and cut your transfer to size, place it on your surface and use frog tape to hold it in place if needed. The scraper then can be used to scrape the surface, allowing the transfer to release from its backing.
Now, after you've adhered the transfer to the surface, you want to burnish it with a cloth. Paper towel works, shop towel works. This time I'm using this blue soft cloth. Just like that, super easy. Then what you want to do is you want to seal it. And I'm going to seal it with the liquid patina. I'm using a cheapy chip brush from the dollar store and DIY liquid patina. It's a top coat that's a little bit thicker than the top, big top. And so I like it because it provides a little bit more coverage. Now, if you remember this flower, I did it on an end table, like a nightstand. It's called the Bad Date Furniture Makeover. It's the black cabinet end table with this flower on the top, and you should watch it because it's a funny story about me and my bad dates. Some of the other projects I did with Iron Orchid Design, Decor Transfer, Ladies in Waiting. You can purchase all of these products on my website at createwithcynthiashop.com or visit my store in Redwood City, California. Thanks for watching my Trash to Treasure video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notifications button, and leave me a comment on what trash to treasure projects you're working on lately.